All right. So now let's start with looping in Python, and we have different loops in Python. We'll start with for loop. Okay, for loop is something we have already seen in earlier discussions where we were discussing lists. So same thing is going to be used here. It will be a sort of refresher on the list and the loop where we have learned loop during the lists. Okay, so loop is a process where we start with a counter and where we repeat a specific task again and again till the condition gets satisfied, right? So here what we are doing, we are writing a for loop, and in for loop we are running this for loop for range is equal to 6. What does it mean? It means that run the for loop from 0 to 6, 0 to 5. Okay, so this means that value of range 6 means the value will be 0 1 2 3 4 up to 5, right? So we are going to run this loop 6 times starting from 0, and in every iteration the first value of I will be 0, then second is 1, then third is 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and so on. Alright, so the same task will repeat, and whatever be the value that is going to be assigned in I, that is something we are printing. So let's run it and see the result, and you can see the value of I is continuously changing starting from 0 1 2 3 4 and 5, right? So 6 times this loop has run and printed various things, right? Or printed the number of number of the iteration, right? Now after that let's start with the loop over a list, right? So we have created a list with Ram, Shyam, Krishan and Madhav. Okay, so this is a list which contains few names, and now we are iterating the loop over the names. So we are using this list and applying for loop on it. Every time the loop will run, the value I will have the values which are available in list. So first Ram will be assigned to I, then Shyam, then Krishna, then Madhav. Okay, so when you are going to run it, you can see Ram, Shyam, Krishna and Madhav that will be shown here. Alright, now next thing is in the list again, if we want to select some specific number or some specific indices only, because if you are using list, then it is going to have 0 1 2 3 4 all the values, but you don't want to select all the values, so you are just selecting a few starting from 2 going till 4. So if you are using that, so Krishna and Madhav will be printed here if you are using 2 to 4, and mind you 4 will not be counted in it. That's why you have to use 4. The last one here is if you want to break the loop in between sometime, so how you can do it? You can use break statement. Break means you are going to break the execution, stop the execution at the current iteration, right? So you are running a loop 10 times here, and in that 10 times, if the moment value of x reach to 8, we are going to break it and print it, right? So this is how it is going to work. Here you are breaking at 6, so at 6 it has broken. Alright, so this is how you can use break statement and for loops. Thank you.